All right, let's take a look at AMC stock. And I know a lot of people are still following this stock. It's still getting a lot of volume, 145 million shares traded hands today. That's the highest in the last couple of weeks. Nothing in comparison to what it was in early June, late May, where it got upwards of 766 million on this day. It's still trading within the range that it traded within this day, the day that it had 766 million shares. It's still trading within that range. It never got out of that range. And now that's a very clear support level on AMC. So it broke out of this wedge, bearish. It had a decent bearish reaction. Saw a good about 25% or so decline. But it bounced off this lower support area. And you can see support, 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 support now. It did break this support. It was a bit of a fake out, lower wick of buying the dip. Closed above that level, trapped bears. We're seeing higher volume, so there is support around this area. It never filled this gap, showing strength. So it might not be done yet. We're getting a lower wick of buying the dip on the weekly. Lower wick of buying the dip on the monthly. Bouncing off of that red line, 4-month moving average area. Showing some strength. Stock's looking okay right now. It was a buy the dip chance today. Straight from buy the dip all the way to the red line, closed just below the red line, which is the 4-day moving average. I find that stocks touch that 4-day moving average almost every single day, and today is no different. So it's looking strong. In the short term, can bulls get follow through? That's what we want to see or not. Tomorrow's going to be very telling. If we get a pullback tomorrow and head straight back down to this support, that's going to be a bad sign. Ideally, you want bulls to break this resistance, the high of today, early tomorrow, and the high of the post-market, which was high of post-market is $49.47. The high of today is $49.79. You want to see bulls break that early on in the day and see follow through straight to that middle daily Bollinger Band or further. That's what we want to see from the bulls for confirmation that this could go higher. And then after that, you're going to want a little pullback, set at higher low, and then break out to higher highs. That would be the ideal bull scenario. For bears, bears want to reject today's high as a resistance, pull back, head back toward today's low, and then retest this support area and then eventually break it. That's the bear scenario. I'm not saying either one is going to happen. Tomorrow's going to be very telling for AMC, bears or bulls, as to what the potential direction is going to be for this stock in the coming days or weeks. I'm providing a non-biased opinion here. I know some people are very serious about this stock. Listen, I'm just looking at what I see at the chart. I'm not saying it can or can't squeeze. I'm just going to stay out of that argument. I think it's obviously possible it can squeeze further. I'll just put it at that. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and please press that like button. Please send a comment. And thank you guys so much for your support. I hope you have a great night and day and life. See ya.